Today we're featuring the new 2021 Toyota Camry SE with available all-wheel drive that gets up to 39 miles per gallon and includes Toyota's Safety Sense, the innovative suite of active safety features like the pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control, and more, all designed to help avoid or mitigate accidents. Another feature of Toyota's Safety Sense are the bi-LED combination auto high beam dimmer headlights with black accents, an auto on-off feature, and LED daytime running lights intended to boost visibility. The body-color door handles integrate the multifunction remote keyless entry system with panic and trunk release functions and remote illuminated entry. Around back, you'll notice the LED combination taillights and acoustic laminated glass window. The integrated rear-view camera also provides a projected path, making it safer when backing up, and the power windows contains the auto up-down feature with jam protection. The 3-passenger rear seating with 60/40 split fold-flat seats helps you maximize cargo area configurations. The Camry also comes with in-cabin Wi-Fi hotspot, a 4.2-inch multi-information display, and a 7-inch Toyota infotainment screen. The 3-spoke tilt telescopic steering wheel includes hands-free controls for phone and audio, including Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, Sirius XM, and Amazon Alexa. This Camry SE also includes an 8-way power adjustable driver's seat with power lumbar support and 6-way reclining adjustable front passenger seat. Both driver and front passenger seats come with the Sport Softex trim. The Camry is powered by a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder dynamic force engine with a direct shift 8-speed electronically controlled transmission with intelligence. Traditional gas or hybrid models are both available. Remember, every Toyota comes with Toyota Care, a complimentary maintenance program covering all factory-recommended service for 2 years or 25,000 miles, and roadside assistance for 2 years, regardless of mileage. It's the perfect combination of style and comfort in the new 2021 Toyota Camry SE with available all-wheel drive, which also includes Toyota's Star safety system with enhanced vehicle stability control, traction control, smart stop technology, and more. For any additional information or to schedule a test drive, please contact our sales team.